find the perimeter. Okay? In order to find the perimeter, we need to know what perimeter is. Perimeter is the distance around outside of the shape. So we're finding out how far it is to go around the outside of my shape. Okay? So, it tells me find the perimeter of the triangle. I want to find the perimeter of x equals 3. Well, we have a problem here because all of our values have an x in it. And I don't know what that value is. So, in order to find the value, I need to figure out what each side is. And just like we did earlier, okay, we need to find out what it is when I plug in x equals 3. So for this side here, side number 1, it says 3x. So where there's an x, I'm going to plug in my x value of 3. And we find out that 3 plus 3 is 9. Or 3 times 3 is 9, I'm sorry. So this side is 9. We do the same thing with side 2. So 4 times x. So where there's an x, I'm going to put in my value of 3 because that's what it tells me 3 is. And we find out that 4 times 3 is 12. So this side here is 12. For our last side, we have 5 times x. So where there's an x, I'm going to plug in 3 again. Okay? 5 times 3 is 15. So now I know the length of all the sides, 9, 12, and 15. If I want to find the perimeter, I need to add all those numbers together. So I'm going to take 9 plus 12 plus 15. If we do that, we get an answer of 36 meters. Okay? I know that it's meters because that's what my problem says, 3 meters. So I know my answer is going to be meters because perimeter is always the same label that it gives you in the problem. Okay? Let's do our last problem here. This one doesn't give us a picture. Maybe it's better if we draw a picture to begin with. So I'm going to draw a triangle. It doesn't need to look pretty. Okay. So it tells me that I have a triangle with sides 7 centimeters. So this one is 7 centimeters. This side is 12 centimeters. And the bottom here is 17 centimeters. So again, if I want to find perimeter, I need to add all the numbers on the outside. So I need to take 7 plus 12 plus 17. Okay. 7 plus 12 plus 17 is going to again give me 36. But this time my answer is in centimeters because my problem mentions centimeters. Okay? When we're doing story problems, we really should try to put a label on them. So now you need to do 1.1 checkpoint 4.